Waymaker vibe. 38 years, stuck in the same cycle, waiting for the water to move, but the source is already here.
Porches, one pool in the crowd of the broken, waiting for a sign, for a word to be spoken. 38 years in the system that's failing, watching others win while your heart is just trailing. Jesus walks in, sees the man in the dust, asks the deep question, do you want this or must? You stay in this loop, paralyzed by the weight. The king of the Sabbath is opening the gate.
Get up, pick up your mat and walk. Listen to the life, let the shadows talk. The water didn't move, but the word did the work. No more waiting in the dark where the whispers alert. Pick up your mat, you are whole again.
He stands on his feet, the miracle is real, but the leaders are angry, they don't like the deal. It's the Sabbath, they cry, you're breaking the law. They miss the creator in the glory they saw. Jesus replied with the power of the Son, my Father is working till the mission is done. I do what he does, I see what he sees. I bring the dead back and I cure the disease, making them self-equal with the Most High, the authority of heaven, the truth in the sky. Not just a man, but the word in the flesh, giving our systems a divine refresh. Go, 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 go.
Going to no more, something worse could be waiting. The Father is working, no time for debating. The Sabbath was made for the soul to find rest in the arms of the Son. We are truly blessed.
38 years ended in a second.
Welcome to Waymaker Vibe.
Waymaker vibe.
Go ahead, click the subscribe button, and let's get started.